The sudden explosion of light and sound triggers a primal startle response in our brains, but the safe context of a celebration transforms that biological jolt into a thrill. The retina is flooded with intense colors, causing the visual cortex to work overtime, while the auditory system processes the sharp cracks and booms. This sensory overload activates the amygdala, which initially signals alertness, but the surrounding cheers and the predictable pattern of aerial bursts update the brain's appraisal from threat to pure exhilaration. On July 4th, this biological rollercoaster is amplified by the sunset backdrop and the collective gasp of the crowd, creating a shared moment of heightened arousal that feels both personal and communal. Beyond the biology, fireworks tap into deep psychological mechanisms. Our brains are wired to recognize patterns and find pleasure in controlled chaos, the long whistle, the pause, the symmetrical flower of sparks. Each burst releases a small pulse of dopamine as we correctly anticipate the payoff, a reward system similar to solving a puzzle or completing a sequence. Moreover, watching fireworks in a group fosters social cohesion. Mirror neurons fire as we see others looking upward in awe, reinforcing a sense of belonging. This aligns perfectly with July 4th, where the spectacle becomes a non-verbal ritual that unites strangers in a common emotional experience. Finally, the tradition is so mesmerizing because it weaves together personal thrill with collective history. Fireworks on Independence Day echo the rocket's red glare from the national anthem, linking modern spectators to the founding struggle for liberty. This historical resonance adds a layer of meaning. Each explosion is not just a sensory event but a symbolic reenactment of triumph and endurance. The combination of biological intensity, psychological reward, and cultural memory creates a uniquely powerful experience, one that makes us feel both alive and anchored in a shared story. As the final burst fades and the smoke drifts away, we are left with a lingering sense of awe and unity that no other display can replicate.